Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to our today's video topic. If you want to download the second WhatsApp, like you already have one but you want to download another WhatsApp in your device Samsung S22 Ultra, you can do this by the way as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable the dual WhatsApp in your device.